Okay, dear boys, after 1 week we are meeting again. We were doing transformation of sentences and we have completed all the rules, and we have also done the exercise number 1 and 2. Today we will continue doing transformation and we will do some practices. Let us start. First one is question number 3, change the sentences according to directions. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Jasmine. This is a simple sentence. You will have to make it complex. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Jasmine. I told you in the rule that if there is no certain rule, fixed rule, then you will have to make it, or you will have to use relative pronoun to make any simple sentence into complex sentence. So in this sentence, you see, once upon a time, there was a little girl named Jasmine. There is no to or in spite of or any time mentioning word, nothing. So we will have to use relative pronoun. Once upon a time, there was a little girl. Can you answer? Once upon a time, there was a little girl whose name was Jasmine. Once upon a time, there was a little girl whose name was Jasmine. You see, now you have turned it into a complex sentence because there are two clauses, principal clause and another is subordinate clause. Once upon a time, there was a little girl. It is a principal clause and whose name was Jasmine. Whose name was, so there is a subject and a verb, and this is subordinate clause. So we know that if there is a principal clause and a subordinate clause in a sentence, then it becomes a complex sentence. So this has become a complex sentence. Once upon a time, there was a little girl whose name was Jasmine. This is the answer of number A. Please write the answer in your copy. Then number B, though she was a nice little girl, she was not like an ordinary child. Compound sentence. You will have to make it compound. Who can say what type of sentence is this? Though she was a nice little girl, she was not like an ordinary child. Is this a simple sentence or complex sentence?
Miss complex.
Right, it is a complex sentence because there are two clauses. Always try to identify the sentences using the clause. Though she was a nice little girl, it is an incomplete part of this sentence. So it is subordinate clause and she was not like an ordinary child. This is a principal clause. So this sentence is a complex sentence. Very good. And we know that in the rule, if there is though, if there is though in a sentence, to make it compound, we have to use but. So we will use the, we will omit though and we will use but. I'm showing you the rule again. You see rule number 4. If there is though or although in a complex sentence, to make it compound, we have to use but or yet. So our answer will be, it is very easy. She was a nice little girl. She was a nice little girl, but she was a nice little girl, but she was not like an ordinary child. So this is our answer. It's very easy. Number C, she passed her time in reading and writing. You will have to make it interrogative. I'm deleting number A because I think you have already written it. Number C, an assertive sentence. You will have to make it interrogative. And we know that to make interrogative, if the sentence is in affirmative form, then you will have to make it negative. So she passed her. It is simple past indefinite tense. The answer will be didn't she pass the time in reading and writing? Didn't she pass the time in reading and writing? And dear boys, don't forget to put the interrogative sign at the end of the sentence. While doing exclamatory sentence and interrogative sentence, you must use the sign. Otherwise, the sentence won't be correct. Didn't she pass her time in reading and writing? The simple past indefinite tense, the interrogative form of past indefinite tense. Then number D, her parents liked her very much. An affirmative sentence, and the direction is given to make it negative. Her parents liked her very much. Well, boys, if there is very much in a sentence, to make it negative, remember that you will have to use at all. You will have to use at all. So the answer will be, her parents did not, the opposite word of like is dislike. Her parents did not dislike her at all. Her parents did not dislike her at all. Her parents did not dislike her at all. This is the answer of question number D. Now number E, everyone praised her. Passive voice. That means it is in active format. So you will have to make it passive. Everyone praised her. Everyone praised. Whom? Because we know that if we ask whom, what, and the answer is the object. So everyone praised. Whom? Her. Her is our object. So it will be used as our subject in passive voice. Number E, she was simple past indefinite tense. So the answer will be, she was praised by everyone. She was praised by everyone. Very simple. Number F, she was attentive to her study. Negative. What is the opposite of attentive? Who can say what is the opposite of attentive?
Inattentive.
Inattentive. It is inattentive. So she was not inattentive to her study. She was not inattentive to her study. No, there will not be at all, because there is no very much. And there is no very, actually there is no very. If there is very, then it will be at all. And if there is no very, then no at all. She was not inattentive to her study. Number D, she also helped her mother in her free time. Number D, she also helped her mother in her free time. Complex. That means the sentence is in either simple or compound format. And definitely it is a simple sentence because there is only one subject, she. She also helped her mother in her free time. So we will have to make it complex. We can free time. So it is time indicating. We can use when to show time, then it will be complex. She also helped her mother when she had her free time. Or she was free, when she was free. That is also correct. She also helped her mother when she was free. She also helped her mother when she was free. Or she also helped her mother when she had her free time. Both the sentences are correct. I hope you have understood. Number 8. She never told a lie. Affirmative. Who can answer? It is a negative sentence. You will have to make it affirmative. She never told a lie. What is the opposite of never? Never. The opposite of never is always. So we will use always instead of never. She always spoke the truth. We know the opposite of lie is truth. So we have used she always spoke the truth. That means she never told a lie. Number I, she was a very intelligent girl. Assertive sentence, you will have to make it exclamatory. If there is a, she was a very, we know that instead of a, if there is a in an assertive sentence, in exclamatory sentence, we have to use what a. Since the word, the adjective is intelligent, so we will use an. What an? Because we cannot use what are intelligent. What an intelligent girl she was. What an intelligent girl she was. And after the sentence, we must use exclamatory sign. What an intelligent girl. What an intelligent girl she was. Then the last one, she worked hard to shine in life. She worked hard to shine in life. Have you seen? There is to plus verb. She worked hard to shine in life. It is a simple sentence and there is an infinitive. To plus verb. And in rule number 1, we have rule number 2. We saw the theme. To plus verb. I went there to meet you, and to make it complex, we have used so that. I went there so that I could meet you. The same rule will be followed here. Okay, what an intelligent girl she was. She worked hard to shine in life. Who can say what will be the answer? You saw that. She worked hard so that she could shine in life. Could shine in life. She worked hard so that she could shine in life. So this is the answer of number 3, question number 3. I have written all the answers in this slide. Here is the answer. You can take photo of this slide. Once upon a time, there was a little girl whose name was Jasmine. She was a nice little girl, but she was not like an ordinary child. There was though, and we have omitted though and inserted but. Didn't she pass her time in reading and writing? Then her parents did not dislike her at all. as there was very much in the sentence. So to make it negative, we have used at all. Then we have made it voice change. We have changed the voice. She was praised by everyone. She was not inattentive to her study, from affirmative to negative. She also helped her mother when she had her free time or when she was free. We have made it simple. She always spoke the truth. We have made it affirmative from negative. What an intelligent girl she was. This is an exclamatory sentence. And the last one, from simple to complex, she worked hard so that she could shine in life. Okay, is there any problem in this question? Is there any sentence which you have not understood? Okay, I will think that you all of you have understood. We are proceeding to number 4. Simplicity is a great virtue. Interrogative. Do it. What will be the answer? Answer, boys. You know the answer. You did it in your classroom also. It is very easy. There is auxiliary verb is. So how we will make it interrogative? Simplicity. Isn't simplicity a great virtue? Good. Don't be scared. Just tell the answer. Be it correct or not, that doesn't matter. If it is not correct, then we will correct it. Isn't simplicity a great virtue? And interrogative sign. Isn't simplicity a great virtue? Number B, everybody appreciates this quality. Everybody appreciates this quality.
Nobody.
Well, boys, if there is every, then we use there is nobody. There is nobody but appreciates this quality. Very easy. There is nobody but appreciates this quality. Let me give example of this type of sentences more. I'm giving you another question. Every mother loves her child. Please do it negative. What will be the answer? Every mother loves her child. That will be loves. Every mother loves her child. Just follow the previous rule. What will be the answer?
There is no mother but loves her child.
Very good. There is no mother but loves her child. Okay. In this way, we can do many more sentences like every man loves a flower. Everybody wishes to be happy. There is nobody but wishes to be happy. Okay. So there is nobody but appreciates this quality. If there is every, then we will use there is no. Then the sentence will be negative. Number C, it is a very praiseworthy quality. Exclamatory. It is a very praiseworthy quality. Yes?
Miss.
Yes.
Miss, এখানে যে বাটের বদলে does not হয়.
Who does not? Yes, you can use who does not. There is nobody who does not appreciate this quality. It is also correct. Okay, and there is nobody who does not. There is nobody who does not appreciate this quality. is also the correct answer. There is nobody but appreciates this quality. It can be done in this way, or there is nobody who does not appreciate this quality. Both the answers are correct. But you will have to be careful, because if you use who, then who does not appreciate, then it will not be appreciated because you have used does. Number C, it is a very praiseworthy quality. Praiseworthy quality. It is a very, again there is a. If there is a in an assertive sentence, to make it exclamatory, we will use what? What a praiseworthy quality it is. What a praiseworthy quality it is. What a praiseworthy quality it is. Okay. Number D, it is the best of all qualities. Positive. It is the best of all qualities. This is the superlative sentence. We will use it. We will have to change it into positive. Let us see the rule. You see rule number 5. Of all. If in superlative sentence there is the plus superlative plus of all, then to make it positive, we will have to use no other. So number D, no other. We are using it, we are doing it, we are turning it into positive sentence. So it is the best of all qualities, no other. And when we are using no other, then the noun will be singular. No other. There is qualities in the question, but we will have to use quality. No other quality is as good, because the positive form of superlative best is good. No other quality is as good as it. No other quality is as good as it. It is the answer. Then number A, one should practice this virtue. One should practice this virtue. Passive. There is a modal verb, should. We know that if there is modal verb, to change the format, we have to use should be. The modal verb plus be. Should be, must be. Yes, we have 10 minutes left. Number E. One should practice this virtue. This virtue should be practiced. Good. This virtue should be practiced. You can use by one or you can omit it, no problem. This virtue should be practiced. It is all. By one, that means by all. This virtue should be practiced by all or by one, all the same. So we can only write this virtue should be practiced. Then number F, those who lead a simple life are happy. Those who lead a simple life are happy. Here, relative pronoun who, so we will have to omit it. And we will delete it and use verb plus ing form to make the sentence simple. Those leading a simple life are happy. Those leading a simple life are happy. Or we can do it in another way. Simple life leading people are happy. It can also be done. Simple life leading people are happy. This is also correct answer. Then number D, without practicing this quality, you cannot earn people's favor. Compound. Without.
Practice this quality and earns people favor.
Good. Practice this quality. There is without, so we will use or. Practice this quality or you cannot earn people's favor. Practice this quality or you cannot practice this quality or you cannot earn people's favor. That is the correct answer. Number 8, simplicity is one of the best qualities. Make it comparative. There is one of the. Simplicity is one of the best qualities. If there is one of the, to make it comparative, we have to use than most other. That is, simplicity is better than most other qualities. Simplicity is better than most other qualities. Number I, a simple man can win others' favor easily. Complex. In this sentence, there is an adjective that is simple. A man can win others' favor easily, but there is an adjective. An adjective has been used, a simple man. So a man who is simple can win others' favor easily. A man who is simple can win others' favor easily. The last one. Number J, very few people are as lucky as a simple man. Superlative. Very few people are as lucky as a simple man. Superlative. Since there is very few, so we will have to use one of the to make it superlative. A simple man is one of the luckiest people. A simple man is one of the luckiest people. So this is our answer of number 4. I have written all the answers in this slide. You can take a photo of this slide. Isn't simplicity a great virtue? There is nobody but appreciates this quality. What a praiseworthy quality it is. No other quality is as good as it. This virtue should be practiced. Simple life leaders are happy. Practice this quality or you cannot earn people's favor. Simplicity is better than most other qualities. A man who is simple can win others' favor easily. A simple man is one of the luckiest people. Number 5. Everybody believes that education is the backbone of a nation. Simple. It is a bit tough. Everybody believes that education is the backbone of a nation. Here, there are 2 clauses, so you will have to make it one clause. Everybody believes education. Instead of is, we will use to be. Everybody believes education to be the backbone of a nation. Everybody believes education to be the backbone of a nation. Thus, in this sentence, you can see there is only one subject. Everybody believes education to be the backbone of a nation. So it has become a simple sentence. Then number B, and you know that only education can give us light of knowledge, negative. We know that if there is only in any sentence, then to make it negative, we have to use none but, nothing but, or not more than. In case of person, we use none but. For anything, we use nothing but. So education, we will consider it a thing. So, and you know that nothing but education can give us the light of knowledge. That will be our answer. And you know that nothing but education can give us the light of knowledge. And you know that nothing but education can give us the light of knowledge. Okay. Number C, man is superior to all creatures in the universe because of his intellect. Compound. You will have to make it compound. So man is superior to all creatures in the universe because of his intellect. We know that if there is because of in a simple sentence, to make it complex, we will need to use as or since. So we can write as man has intellect, as man has intellect, he is superior. He is superior to all creatures in the universe. He is superior to all creatures in the universe. We have 1 minute left. So take the photo of it. The rest, you will have to do the rest once. That will be your homework from D to number J. Number C to J. Man is superior to all creatures in the universe. We have done number C. So your SW will be from D to J. We have our next class on Tuesday. So I like to see all of you to do this homework. I will ask you on Tuesday. Okay, is there any problem, or was there any sentence that you could not understand? Okay, so our